Welcome back to NewsHour. We're not sure if you've heard these, but there are a lot of videos online, especially on YouTube in the last few weeks, of what are supposedly strange sounds, unexplained sounds, being heard around the world. Let's show you some of them and take a listen. The first one's from Canada. And this video was captured in the Czech Republic. Now, even more strange noises, this time from Hungary. And in Costa Rica. And this was the odd noise supposedly heard in Chicago. Now, obviously, there's no way to independently verify that this audio and this video are actually being heard and seen at the same place. These could easily be faked videos, but there are a number of explanations online as to what it could be. They range from Yetis, believe it or not, to NORAD jets. Some people believe it's the American HAARP program, which some people believe is designed to modify the weather. And there's a scientific explanation online which claims that it's something called the Earth's hum, which is the noise the Earth makes when two waves collide with each other in the ocean. There's no way to prove any of this right now, only speculation, but we invite you to think about it too. You're watching NewsHour.